Leetcode medium problem 36 valid Sudoku. To verify if this Sudoku is valid, we want to check for each rows, each columns, and each squares. So we're gonna have 9 squares. We're gonna have 9 rows. We're gonna have 9 columns. Of course, we're gonna have 9 numbers from 1 to 9. So all we have to do is just we can do this twice. So first of all, we go through all elements in this matrix, in this board, and to count for each number. And second, we want to go through, which is another loop for number 1 to number 9. If there's any number in each of these countings that is bigger than 1, then that means it presents twice and it is invalid. Otherwise, it will be true. So to count the frequency of a number, we can use a few dict. So this is for counting, and this is so the dict for counting, we define the dict first, and this is a real counting part. After the counting, let's go through all the numbers to see if it presents twice. Otherwise, it will be true.